Mourik's Tubular Reactor Services is a leading specialized worldwide contractor for catalyst changes in tubular reactors. Mourik performs the unloading of the reactor, cleaning of the reactor internals, loading of fresh catalyst, and checking of the loaded catalyst tubes for density and pressure drop. We have many years of experience with various reactor designs for the production of, for example, ethylene oxide, methyl acrylate, acrylic acid, phthalic anhydride, maleic anhydride, acetylene, and aromatics. Our loading techniques ensure maximum performance of the catalyst. Mourik's approach focuses on quality, efficiency, and safety through innovation, project management, and responsiveness to our customers. Our focus on quality minimizes the risk of post-ignition, the risk of runaway reactions, and the risk of hotspots. Our efficient approach minimizes the duration of the turnaround and maximizes productivity while minimizing cost. And last but not least, our emphasis on safety minimizes the risk of accidents and incidents, maximizes skills and know-how, and continually improves our loading processes. The proper loading of fresh catalyst is the most important step in a catalyst change, as it has a direct effect on the reactor performance and the run life of the catalyst. We are continually working on improving our loading methods. One recent innovation developed by Mourik is the Mourik M.I.D.C loading system. This system will greatly improve the efficiency and quality of catalyst loading in tubular reactors, as well as improving the safety of the loading process. The M.I.D.C loading system improves on loading techniques already performed by Mourik, like template loading and machine loading. M.I.D.C stands for Modular Insert De-dusting Catalyst Loading System. The M.I.D.C loading system is a modular system. By combining the M.I.D.C modules, the system can reach every tube on the tube sheet. It can be built around coolant pipes and other obstacles. All tubes are covered by the system. Each module has a high-frequency vibration motor and a connection to the vacuuming system. Because vibration is used, there's no mechanical pressure on the catalyst, and there are no workers sweeping the catalyst. This minimizes the risk of damaging the catalyst. The M.I.D.C loading system uses specially designed inserts to load the catalyst to the desired height. If the loading module covers an area that does not have a tube, a blind is inserted. The M.I.D.C loading system will extract dust from the catalyst at 3 different points: at the de-dusting hopper on top of the reactor, at the de-duster on the end of the 4-inch loading hose inside the reactor, and on the M.I.D.C loaders just before the catalyst drops into the tubes by the unique design of the inserts. The inserts have special slots that allow dust to be vacuumed out of the catalyst stream. So what does the loading procedure using the M.I.D.C loading system look like? First, a catalyst support spring is inserted at the bottom of every reactor tube. Then a de-dusting hopper is mounted on top of the reactor. On the tube sheet, caps are removed from the tubes and the M.I.D.C modules are installed. Next, the catalyst is unloaded from a big bag into the loading hopper and glides through the loading hose. The catalyst is directed onto the M.I.D.C modules. Meanwhile, the next section that's to be loaded is being prepared. If the tubes in the first section are loaded, the loading hose is moved to the second section. The M.I.D.C modules are removed from the first section, and a third section next to the first section is being prepared. The M.I.D.C loading system can follow any radius and can reach every tube. The high-frequency vibration system, the 3-way de-dusting system, and the modular setup ensure a fast and efficient loading process. The development of the M.I.D.C loading system is the next addition to Mourik's continuous efforts to improve catalyst loading techniques, ensuring efficiency and safety, and maximizing catalyst performance.